Welcome to Sarasa Samutsarn School. This is Health, Matayom 2, and my name is Teacher Carla Circulado. Okay, let's start our lesson by reading our vocabulary words. So please listen carefully as I read the first set of words. Armpit hair, armpit hair. Breast, breast. Testis, testis. Now repeat after me. Armpit hair, breast, testis. Very good. Now listen again as I read the second set of words. Penis, penis. Enlarge, enlarge. Gain, gain. Now repeat after me. Penis, enlarge, gain. Very good. Now listen again as I read the third and last set of words. Enlarge, enlarge. Pubic hair, pubic hair. Broader, broader. Now repeat after me. Enlarge, pubic hair. Broader. Very good. Now let's do our dictation of 3 words. Bring out one piece of paper or in your notebooks and write as follows. Okay, let's begin. Number 1. Spell the word penis. Number 1. Penis. Number 2. Spell the word armpit hair. Number 2. Armpit hair. Number 3. Spell the word gain. Number 3. Gain. Okay, now let's check your answers. Bring out your red pen for checking. So if your answer is correct, please put 1. And if your answer is incorrect, copy your answer. Copy the correct answer. Okay, number 1. Let's read together. Penis. P, E, N, I, S. Penis. Number 2. Armpit hair. A, R, M, P, I, T. Armpit. H, A, I, R. Hair. Armpit hair. Okay, number 3. Gain. G, A, I, N. Gain. Very good. Okay, now let's move on to our topic for today, which is in Unit 1, Growth and Development. Everybody bring out your books and open it on page 2. Page 2. Unit 1, Growth and Development. Okay, so if you have your books, let's begin our lesson. Today we will talk about puberty. What is puberty? Okay, let's read the first paragraph. Puberty is the period of time when we change from a child to a young adult. Okay, now repeat after me. Puberty is the period of time when we change from a child to a young adult. Very good. Okay, so it says that puberty is when a child begins to develop or have physical changes as they become an adult. So we can see in this picture, we have the children. So the children is in their childhood stage. So when the child starts to experience physical changes, he or she is maturing and then will become a young adult, and that is puberty. Then from a young adult, we are still growing or still maturing. Then we will become an adult. Okay, everybody repeat after me. Childhood, puberty, adult. Very good. So once we are an adult, that's when we reach a stage that we are capable of reproduction. Okay, because we reach our sexual maturity. Now let's move on to our next slide. Puberty starts when we are about 9 to 10 years old. Everybody repeat after me. Puberty starts when we are about 9 to 10 years old. Very good. So when we reach the age of 9 or 10, we will start experiencing physical changes in our body. And that is because we are in puberty. So what age does puberty usually starts? Very good. About 9 to 10 years old. Okay, let's move on. Next, during puberty, the body changes rapidly. Everybody repeat after me. During puberty, the body changes rapidly. Very good. So during this time, we will notice some physical changes, such as some parts of our body begins to enlarge. Or in this picture, you will see that hair starts to grow on our body. Okay, in different parts. As in this picture, we can see that the hair starts to appear in the armpit. Okay, and for boys, they starts to have facial hairs. Okay, we will talk about more physical changes as we move on. Okay, so for this slide, what changes do we experience during puberty? Very good. Our body changes. Okay. Puberty does not begin at the same age for everyone. Girls usually start puberty earlier than boys. Okay, repeat after me. Puberty does not begin at the same age for everyone. Girls usually start puberty earlier than boys. So So according to the National Institutes of Health, puberty usually begins in girls between 8 and 13 years of age, and in boys between 9 to 14 years of age. So puberty starts earlier for girls than for boys. Okay, so when that happens, when you start early or later, you don't have to worry, as it's normal to start puberty early or later than the usual age. Okay, so it says that girls usually start puberty earlier than boys. So when that time happens, girls' bodies and minds mature as they grow into a young woman. So we will experience physical and also mental changes. Okay, let's do our summary. We talk about puberty. Puberty is when we change from a child to a young adult. Puberty also starts between age 9 to 10 years old. When we are in puberty, our body changes rapidly. Okay, so let's see if you listen in our topic for today. Let's do our exercise. Bring out your paper or your notebook again and write activity number and date and the month. So for our exercise, we will do multiple choice. You have to choose the best answer for the question. Write the correct letter. Okay, number 1. What do you call the period of time when we change from a child to a young adult? Number 1. What do you call the period of time when we change from a child to a young adult? A. Rapidly. B. Puberty. Or C. Changes. Number 2. At what age does puberty usually starts? Letter A. 9 to 10 years old. B. 15 to 20 years old. Or C. 25 to 30 years old. Number 3. What changes during puberty? What are the changes during puberty? A. Clothes. B. Food. Or C. Body. Number 4. Puberty usually starts earlier with number 4. Puberty usually starts earlier with letter A. Girls. B. Boys. Or C. Adult. Last number. Number 5. Which is a true statement? Choose the true statement. Letter A. Puberty begins at the same age for everyone. Letter B. Puberty does not begin at the same age for everyone. And letter C. Puberty does not begin for everyone. Choose the correct answer or the true statement. Thank you everyone. Thank you students for listening and paying attention to our topic for today. Just a reminder, don't forget to wash your hands, wear your mask, stay at home, eat healthy, take your vitamins, and we will see you soon. Goodbye.